Today I'm going to show you how to make this animated timeline in Canva. Go to video and open new video project. Click on the background and let's change the color to black. Go to elements, scroll down to shapes and click on the circle. Resize it, place it in the middle and change the color to white. And type the first year that you are going to use in your timeline. Let's change the font to League Spartan and drag these handles like this to make this space over here. We are going to need it and select all and group and make all the years that you are going to use like this. And after making all the years that you are going to use, let's use this guide like this. Let's place the first year over here and drag the rest of the years, cover them over here and keep just this transparent part. Go to elements, choose this line, increase the size and increase the thickness as well, and place it in the middle of this circle. And make another guide inside the circle. And after that, add new text and type the first title. Change the font as you want. And drag these handles again. And type the paragraph. Let's change the font to glacial. And place it over here. Select all and group and make all the text like this. Add new page and type the next text over here. And after typing all the text that we are going to use, go to the first page and drag another guide. Make it exactly here. Go to the first text, copy and paste in the first page and drag it to the left and make it the title exactly with this guide. Make the same for all of them. Copy and paste and drag it to the left, and you keep just this transparent part. Copy and paste. And now just delete these pages. Let's add another page and go to upload, and after uploading your images, drag them to the design, decrease the size, make one after one, Click in the first one, go to edit, go to adjust, decrease the brightness and increase the contrast, and copy style and apply the style for all the images. Go to elements and type blur line graphics. Let's choose this one, increase the size, and try to place this line between the images. You can do duplicate to increase the intensity. And when you finish, select all and group, copy and paste in the first page, and increase the size. To fit exactly the page. Go to layers, show layers, and drag this image to the bottom. Just delete this page. Try to select the first year with the line and group both of them. And now duplicate and drag the line to the left. Go to layers, show layers, and choose the next year from here and drag it to the middle and drag this text to the right and choose the next text and drag it to the middle of the page and click on the image and drag it down. Duplicate again and make the same process. Drag this and cover it here. Click in the next year, drag it to the middle, drag the text to the right, and choose the next text, drag it to the middle, and click on the image and drag it down. Duplicate again and make the same process. Click on the image and drag it down. And now go to add transition, match and move, and increase the duration. Apply between all pages, and you can control the timing of each page as you want. And here is the final results. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.